Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the dolphin locations and favorite foods in Heartopia. So in this Call of Whales event week 2 update, in here you can unlock new animal and then interact with this animal, the dolphin. But before you can interact with them, you need to unlock it first. You can just complete the quest from NPC Oliver, and then after you successfully unlock this animal, you can just feed it first, and then next you can interact with this dolphin. In here, if you don't know how to unlock this animal, this dolphin, you can just check the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then after you successfully unlock this dolphin, just go find the trove. You can just simply open the animal menu, this one, animal menu, and then just track this dolphin. Just tap on track over here and then just follow the guide until you find this trove, like this. It's located around the Whalefall area over here, this area more precisely. And then to raise your pond level faster, make sure to feed the dolphin with its favorite food. There are 3 favorites. You can just feed them with sardines, and then Scad, this one, and then Seabass, like this. And just like that, just tap feed, and you can see this 3 food is its favorite, like this. And okay, that's everything you need to know about these dolphin locations and favorite foods in Heartopia. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!